Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to run our sample Phishlet. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So as you know, I am running my Evilpunch dashboard right here. So let me go inside the domain section. So here we need to add our domain name. In the last video, I have shown you how to add the domain name. In case you didn't know, you haven't watched, please go ahead and watch it. How to add domain name, how to add certificate, you can watch it there. Okay. Once you do that, you need to go to the Phishlet section directly. Right now, we are not going to use the proxies and redirectors as we are doing the basic setup. Okay. So inside the Phishlets, let's click on the new Phishlet, and here let's say sample. That's our Phishlet name. In the proxy auth, let's click on the generate. It will generate the random proxy path for us. The proxy server is not there, so no need to select. The redirector is not there, so no need to select. Here we need to add our Phishlet. So if you look closely, in the sample folder, we have the Phishlet available right here, which is sample phishlet.json. It is available on the GitHub also. Let me show you there too. If you go on the GitHub, then you will find this Evilpunch repository right here. Here there is a own folder called sample. Inside that folder, you will find the Phishlets. Inside Phishlet, you will find the sample Phishlet. So you can just copy that particular Phishlet and use it as it is. Okay, let me just copy that. Go here, erase this null, paste it right here, and we have it, the Phishlet ready. Now in the Phishlet, we need to do little bit changes. Instead of this proxy domain, we need to use our actual proxy domain. So in our case, we are using I think evilme, right? evilme.website, that's our proxy domain. If you scroll a little bit further, then here also I'm using that, right? So let me just erase that and type evilme.website. Website, I think website. Yeah. Now done. So whatever needs to configure, it is already configured. So everything is there. What I need to do is I need to save it and just test it. Okay. And how to create a Phishlet, that is covered in the next video. So let's keep that on hold right now. Let me click on the create Phishlet. Once it is created, you will get one path that you need to use it. So let me just copy this particular URL and open the browser for using it. Okay. So let's do one thing. Instead of using this Chrome browser, I want to use the Firefox. Okay. Why Firefox? There is a reason, because on the Chrome I have too many things open, and Firefox is completely fresh. Okay, completely fresh. So that's why I am using the Firefox. Okay, let me paste my particular URL right here. So once I paste it, it's supposed to show me that login page. So let's give some time until login page is loading. But until then, what we can do is I can copy my password. So let me just copy the website password first. Okay, the original password that we're supposed to enter. Here I will say admin as my username and my password right here, and I will click on the login. Okay, so once I do that, I need to enter the two-factor authentication code. Okay, so yeah, WordFace two-factor authentication. Here I will say 458 Okay, that's my code. So let me click on the login, and after the login, it's supposed to redirect me on the WP admin page. So let's see what it does. It might be possible that it is taking too much time because the files are heavy, because we are loading it very first time. So once it is loaded, then it will be faster. Okay, so can you see the admin dashboard has been loaded? So once it is loaded, for next users it will be faster. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard and let me show you one thing. So if I go inside the Phishlet section, here can you see it is saying disable cache? That means it is creating the cache so that if other users comes, then it will not create load on the server. It will just serve files from the cache, and it will be overall faster. Okay, so that's why the cache functionality is added in the first place. If you want to check the cache is created or not, then you can go here, Evilpunch source code, and here somewhere you should find the cache. Yeah, cache folder. Can you see cache folder? Inside cache folder there is a lot of files, so that will be used as the cache. Okay, now our session has been captured. So let's go back to the dashboard. This is our dashboard. The session is captured. Now let me go to the session section, and here hence it is showing my IP address, which is my dynamic IP. So I'll just hide that particular IP address. Now, three sections are there. I have given 2 tries before I was recording this particular video. So yeah, 3 sessions are there, and the lesson session is 2 minutes ago. Okay, so this is the session we just created right now. So if I click on the view session, then it will show me the cookie is captured right here, all of this cookie. I don't know exactly the reason why the username is not captured. Maybe some keyword issue or something. We will check into that. But the password is captured, and obviously the cookies are captured. Now, very first thing, it was using 2FA. So we are going to copy all cookies, or we can just copy manually rather than trusting for the button like this. Go back right here, delete this, clear the all data from this particular browser. So let me go here, click on the clear data. Everything is clear. If I go inside like ruleout.com, and if I go slash xmylog, okay, then here it will show the login page again. I am typing xmylogs. I need to type xmylog, I guess. That's the login page. Can you see it is not logged in? Now, I can go here in the cookie section. I can delete existing cookies, click on the import and paste the cookies here that I just copied from the dashboard. Okay, and click on the import. Once I do that, simple thing, I need to refresh the page and we have access to our WP admin dashboard of the website, right? So yeah, this is the basic example of the working of the Evilpunch. Okay, so yeah, these are the cookies we captured, and by the way, username is captured. Can you see log username is here? It is captured inside the custom data. Okay, instead of capturing right here, it was captured in the custom data, but that's okay. I can just move anytime here. It is just a simple issue in the Phishlet. If we fix that, then this username which is captured inside the custom data will be captured here. Okay, but you got the idea. Like custom data is also getting captured, password is getting captured, cookies are there, and most important, the cookies when we are importing to the browser, it is working fine. So yeah, this is the overall working of the Evilpunch by using just a simple example. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comments, or you can go to the FluxxSet.com right here, add your questions. There is a whole community to answer your questions. Okay, so yeah, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next.